Happy Canada Day again. But perfectly. Even more bushes here. Everything's connected now.
Yeah, this entrance is so beautiful.
We're in a tunnel. It's all green. Hi.
No wood? No wood?
No, you have to get it from the ice and wood lot, like down the normal place. That's where you rent canoes to.
Oh, okay.
For now, we're gonna be okay. So,
yeah.
Oops, I got to. Anyway,
Where are we going to be?
we are here, and we gotta go to Hawk over here. So you gotta drive all the way down this road, and then this is the campground we're at, number 51. And this is the beaches where we might be putting our kayak on.
Mm-hmm.
And here's the lake. Pretty nice lake where you can rent canoes or we use our own watercraft.
Okay, let's go then.
Yep.
Let's go have some fun.
June 21st is the most official summer.
Beautiful. Here to pick up some wood. What is this called? Forgot. Wood yard?
Yeah, wood yard, and would you get your ice here and you can rent canoes here. Hi guys, we're here again in a campsite. We're back at Wenda Park, Provincial Park in Ontario, and just came for an overnight trip. We're staying here tonight. Really hot day. It's it feels like 40-42 degrees Celsius. You know, there's no wind, a lot of bugs out. So anyway, we're gonna enjoy this overnight trip, and hopefully we're gonna be putting out the kayak, my inflatable kayak, out on the lake. I haven't decided yet if it's the small lake in the park or we're just gonna go to on Georgian Bay. It's part of Lake Huron, one of the Great Lakes here in Ontario. Come along. In the pocket. One more. You okay?
Yeah, it has some clips. Then you have to tie the center. So you have to get inside the tent.
So for all those people that haven't set up a tent before, newbies, you know, to camping, when you finish setting up your tent, you should always pack it down, because if you have a strong wind or a storm or something, your tent's gonna fly away. And if you're next to a lake, you have to go swimming after it. So you always put it at a 45-degree angle, so it doesn't don't put it straight down like this, because it gets if it's windy, it can get pulled out easily. So always pull on it and put it at a 45. I have a hammer because I'm here in this campsite and have the car nearby. But you can just use your foot or use a rock, whatever you have at your disposal. So these guidelines here, if you want your tent to be more open, like the fly, so you get more air, you want it to be longer. You kind of put them away from the tent or tied to a tree branch or something. But if you don't want that much, like the wind to come in and so on, and you don't want to trip over the long guidelines, you just bring the slider almost as close as possible to the nut, and then you peg it down. Then you can always tighten it with this. You slide it up once it's pegged. So I myself don't want it to be too open, so I bring it, and then again 45 degrees. And then you can play with it. You can bring it more loose or tighten it up. This is this is what you threw out?
Yeah.
This is one of these chests. Material settings.
I pulled all the way in. Alright, so now you go backwards.
It's the best thing in nature. And then put it here, it's going to catch fire. What is that? A piece of plastic.
Yeah.
Hi guys, good morning. They were calling for thunderstorms and maybe lightning, but luckily it passed by. We didn't have any heavy rain or lightning or big storms. It's a warning for the next 2 days, so isolated. It could happen anywhere, but so far so good. One thing I forgot to mention, today is July 1st. July 1st is Canada Day, is Canada's birthday. So we all, everybody around here is wearing, you know, their patriotic Canada shirts and flags on their cars and so on. Again, we have a new wood gasifying stove here. I just got it purchased with my own money. Oops, technical difficulties. Okay, so this one is from Mastiff gears. I got it off Amazon. And I'm going to put it together first. It comes with a fire stick and a striker, or some people call it a ferro rod, same thing. This is to catch your ashes. Take an ash plate, goes right below. This thing here is like a cake pan you can get in a dollar store. I just bought it to protect the table if you don't have a rock or something to work on. And then it comes with a little mini barbecue grill that you can put on top here, like so. Or you take this out and you can use this pot stand, and it allows you to feed the sticks through here while you're cooking without having to take the pot off the fire. I have another similar stove I reviewed on my channel, the Ohuhu stove, but you have to always remove the pot to feed the fire while it's cooking. So this one, I got this one because it's got a slot. You don't disturb your cooking. If you want, you can also use this on top like this and put a pot in there, either or. And it comes with this little, I'm not sure what it's called, it's like a straw, extendable to, you can blow into the fire to make it burn brighter. I guess, okay. And I also got some wood pellets. Some people love using wood pellets in it, and it burns longer and gives you some more. If you're barbecuing, you can get like hickory or any other kind, and gives you your meat a flavor. So, okay, here we go. So we're gonna toast some bread right now, test it out. So everything's done. This is still going. Just to sum up, this is a Mastiff gear, actually Mastiff gears, wood gasifying stove. It worked perfectly. I was able to make some burgers and sausages. And it just decided to die down now. So it did its job. It's a great stove to have in your pack. In addition to your camp stove, backpacking stoves with your gas canisters. Or just carry it alone when you don't want to make a big campfire.
Bon appetit.
Bon appetit! Happy Canada Day again.
Yeah, I know, the pillow's going here.
Till at 10. We have about 3-4 kilometers to get to a certain beach here so that we can launch our kayak from. So, middle of the forest with a wagon full of stuff. Paddles, wagons, life jackets, and it's like 40 Celsius, feels like, with humidity. All right. So, my plan had to be aborted. Came over here, but we got a weather warning of heavy rain, thunderstorms, possible tornado. So we have to leave this for another day. We can't take out the kayak. Okay. So for now, I'm just gonna end it here. Next time. Bye.
That's the dark sky. Dark. Yeah, it's moving, but it's very dark suddenly.
Imagine if you were in the kayak. Look at that. Look at the ocean.
Wow.